my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay guys, so if you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. I hope you will stay to the end of the video. If you are a returning subscriber, yes, part of my Diva family already, welcome back. Guys, today I am bringing you another open invite collaboration that's being given by Diva's Dynasty. As you know, we put on Tablescape Sunday bi-weekly, and this Tablescape Sunday's host will be Cynthia of Cynthia Shesobless. Now the other ladies of Diva's Dynasty is Lynn from Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Miss Alberta from Mysterious Alberta, Tammy from Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and myself, Diva Decorating, and I'm Geraldine. Guys, I will list the host and all the co-hosts down in my description box, so you can go down there and you can click on the channel links and you can go over and you can see everyone's channel and the great content that they have on their channel and become a family member of theirs if you like their content, okay? So guys, back to this Tablescape Sunday. Now, Miss Cynthia has very simple rules and details, guys, but this should be a lot of fun as well. Now, she wants us to create a tablescape using dollar store items or things from around your house. Now, you don't have to. You can also use a new spin towards your tablescape, okay? So, if you have something that's around your house and you don't feel like going out purchasing anything, you can do a no spin. It's totally up to you. Your tablescape can be a Glam or a Farmhouse. Your colors, your style. So all you have to do is choose which one you want to do, whether you want it to be a Glam tablescape or whether you want it to be Farmhouse style. It's totally up to you. Now, the upload date will be the same time as we usually hold all of them, 12 a.m. May 31st, anytime after 12 a.m. on May 31st, 2020. Okay? She also wants us to title our video with a hashtag. The hashtag will say, hashtag dollar stores, tablescape, Glam, or Farmhouse tablescape 2020. Make sure you get all of that correct, guys. Make sure you get the spelling correct. Make sure you get the capital and the lowercase letters exactly how I will have them down in my description box. Because that's very important how you put that in there, okay? Now, you're also to mention the host and all the co-hosts in your video, and also add their links of their channels into your description box. And last but not least, she just wants us to have some Glam or Farmhouse fun. Guys, I can't wait to see what everyone comes up with, whether you do the Glam style or whether you do the Farmhouse style, whether you mix them together. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with, because we have some very creative content creators out there, and I know it's going to be fabulous. So guys, that is all the rules and the details. Now, if you like this video, and I hope you stay to the end, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not a family member of the Diva family already, please consider subscribing. Leave me a comment down below and share this video. Guys, I hope you will come and join us for Tablescape Sunday, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.